In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product in AppyPie Marketplace. First, head to the AppyPie website and sign in. On the top right, open your profile menu and choose My Dashboard. From the Builder area, go to Manage to access your apps. Open your Store app, then select Manage App, and choose Edit App so you can make changes. Inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and select Store, then click Manage Store. In the Store workspace, open the Products section from the left panel and click Add Product to start creating a new item. Begin with your media. Upload clear, well-lit images, and if you have one, a short product video. You can add up to 7 images and 1 video. Use multiple angles, show scale if relevant, and include any important details like texture or ports. Keep file sizes reasonable so your app loads quickly. Next, add your product name. Make it specific and searchable. Include the model, color, or key attribute a shopper might use. Then write a concise, helpful description. Focus on what the product is, who it's for, and why it's useful. List standout features, materials, sizing or compatibility, care instructions, and what's included in the box. Aim for clarity over fluff and keep paragraphs short for mobile readers. Fill out the basic information section. This typically covers pricing, categories, tags, and identifiers like SKU or barcode. Categories help your product appear in the right place, while tags support search inside your app. Turn on inventory if you want to track stock. Enter the available quantity and, if offered, any low stock threshold. Accurate inventory prevents overselling and improves customer trust. Enable shipping details so customers see the right costs and options. Add the package weight and choose any shipping profiles you use. If you ship to multiple regions, confirm the correct zones and rates are applied to this product. Enter product dimensions. Provide length, width, and height in your preferred units. Dimensions, along with weight, help calculate shipping and can reduce unexpected costs. Enable cancellation and return to reflect your store policy. Specify whether cancellations are allowed before fulfillment, and define return eligibility and time windows. Clear policies reduce support issues later. Add related products to encourage browsing and upsells. Link items that complement this one, like accessories, matching styles, or alternative sizes and colors. When everything looks good, scroll to the top and click Save on the upper right. That's it. Your product is now set up in the AppyPie Marketplace. Take a moment to preview it in your app, confirm images, pricing, and availability, and you're ready to go live.